Have you ever wondered if one of your ancestors fought in the American Revolution? When I first began exploring my husband's colonial family history, I discovered a treasure trove of documents on Ancestry that link modern families to the earliest patriots who helped shape America. One of the most valuable resources is the Sons of the American Revolution membership applications collection. Today I'm going to show you how to find these records, understand what they mean, and use them to trace your own Revolutionary War ancestors. The Sons of the American Revolution, or SAR, is a lineage society founded in 1889 for men who can prove descent from someone who supported the American Revolution. To join, applicants had to document each generation, parent to child, all the way back to a Revolutionary War patriot. Ancestry has preserved these applications in the collection called U.S. Sons of the American Revolution Membership Applications, 1889 to 1970. This database includes about 145,000 applications and over 1.2 million indexed names. Each record connects a descendant to a patriot and often lists birth and death dates and places. Even if no one in your immediate family joined the SAR, someone from a distant branch may have, leaving behind a document that connects you to the same patriot ancestor. So let's log into Ancestry and walk through the steps to find these applications. Let's go up to Search, scroll down to Card Catalog, and then for the title, type in Sons of the American Revolution. Click Search. And now you'll see up here at the top, U.S. Sons of the American Revolution membership applications. Click on that. And now we're going to use the search form to enter a surname, state, or year. If you're new to genealogy, start broad. Search only the surname first, then narrow it down by location or date if known. And remember, spelling wasn't consistent in the 1700s, so try variations or use an asterisk as a wildcard to capture alternate spellings. I'm going to do a quick search with the last name of one of my husband's colonial ancestors. Okay, now I'm going to select one of these records. And I'm going to click View. Each result opens a scanned application packet, often several pages long. Scroll through all the images so you don't miss any information. You'll usually see the applicant's details followed by a full lineage chart listing parents, grandparents, and great-grandparents, all the way back to the patriot ancestor. The last section often includes a short description of the patriot's service, such as served as private, 2nd Virginia Regiment, or signed oath of allegiance, 1778, Pennsylvania. Finding a document like this can be thrilling. It can reveal several generations at once, sometimes with maiden names, exact birthplaces, or dates you hadn't seen before. These applications often act as a ready-made research roadmap for your own family tree. Keep in mind, however, that SAR applications are fantastic leads, but not final proof. Many older applications were accepted under looser standards than today's genealogical requirements, so you'll always need to verify each parent-to-child link with other evidence, such as birth, death, or census records. Once you locate a possible patriot ancestor, expand your search with other Revolutionary War collections on Ancestry. For example, the Daughters of the American Revolution Lineage books. These are published lineage abstracts of DAR members. The U.S. Revolutionary War rolls from 1775 to 1783. These are muster and pay rolls from the National Archives. U.S. compiled Revolutionary War military service records from 1775 to 1783. These contain summaries of a soldier's service. And check out the Revolutionary War pension files. These are applications that often include spouses and family details. You can also check the National Archives' American Revolution portal for background information and links to original records. These collections together help confirm the Patriots' service and bring your family's Revolutionary-era story to life. Work generation by generation, confirming each connection with its own evidence. If you find multiple SAR applications for the same Patriot, examine each. Different descendants may supply new or corrected details. Over time, your verified links will form a solid, documented lineage back to your Revolutionary War ancestor. Researching your family history is like time travel. Using SAR applications on Ancestry can connect you directly to the founding generation of our country. Be patient, double-check your sources, and enjoy the discoveries along the way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it so others can uncover their own Patriots. And feel free to tell me in the comments if you've searched the SAR collections yet. I'd love to hear what you found. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your research, and I'll see you in the next one.